Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dawson and today I am doing a Ipsy unbagging video. So this was accidentally ordered. So what it was is I tried to cancel my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and for some reason or another, I guess I accidentally clicked that I wanted to cancel that, but get this, somehow or another. But I did check the website and it appears that I have canceled both of them now right off the bat. I don't know. I don't get it. But it's only $10, so I figured, you know, it's here. No big deal. Only $10. I'm going to get, you know, what I paid for, if not a lot more. So, yeah, I'm excited to unbag it with you guys. And, so Ipsy is $10. They give you, I think, 5, more than likely, like sample or travel sizes in the Ipsy bags. I've not got this in at least a couple years, I think. So we'll see if they got better. I have unbagged this already and looked what's inside because I wanted to see what was all cruelty free in the bag. There was only one product that's not cruelty free, but let's unbag this together right now. So I do like the little print. It's like the tropical leaves, green and black outline with a pink background. The zipper says Ipsy and it's pink. Really cute. Never really use these, but I think I will try to use it. I will keep the products that is cruelty free in this bag. And I'm going to try them on with you guys right now. And I'm giving the one that's not cruelty free to my daughter because, yeah, let's just get into the bag. So the first thing I pull out is this Ciate London Glow 2 Highlighter Illuminating Powder Highlighter. I've not actually taken it out of the box. I just wanted to see if all the brands was cruelty free because I wasn't sure about all of them. This is my first Ciate product. So it is a highlighter and this might not be a great highlighter shade for me, but we will see. It's called Moon Dust. And I do have a Z palette, as y'all already know. I hope to do a depotting video soon so I can just pop this in there and use it that way. Luckily I have a Z palette though. The next thing I am pulling out is this Mellow Precision Pen Eyeliner. And I did just use up my favorite Milani felt tip eyeliner, so I don't know if this is felt tip or not, but we will see on the try on part. But this is what it looks like. So that's promising. I really love eyeliners, so that's great. The thing I'm going to give to my daughter is this Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I have tried this before going cruelty free and it was a pretty good mascara. But since I am pretty much cruelty free now on my makeup, I will just give this to my daughter. And I asked her if she needed a new mascara and she said yes. So I figured why not give this to her. So she's getting a mascara. And then I see this Hemp's Pure Herbal Extract Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer, Hydrate and Refresh. It's like, I guess it's just a hand moisturizer. I've not smelt it yet, so. Ooh, it smells really good. So I will probably keep this in my car and moisturize my hands because after work, you know, since I do work in at Chick-fil-A in the kitchen, after I've washed and dried my hands over and over again at work, when I get in the car, that's usually when I feel that they are the most dry. So if I keep it in my car, it'd be nice, warm, and moisturizing for me for after work. And it smells so good, y'all. So good. So I'm really happy about that. I will say, I think Ipsy bags have stepped up their game, so I might have to get this in the future. this is the Balm. It's What's the Tea Iced Tea Eyeshadow Mini. It's a cool shade. So there it is. So it's a little bitty eyeshadow. Oh, okay. So it is a cool, like, purple, and appears to be a matte. The rundown. What's the Tea? Iced Tea Eyeshadow Mini Cool Shade. Alright. So I'm gonna do a makeup look using this few products. I won't use the mascara since it's going to my daughter. Not that we don't share stuff, but she might as well get the full, you know, new experience of makeup, because she doesn't get new makeup very often at all. So I just tried this on, which probably shouldn't have done since it is scented before my makeup, but it'll be alright. And let's try on the eyeliner pen, the highlighter, and the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and put on all the makeup basically until I need to use this eyeshadow shade. So I just prepped my eyes and I concealed them with this Physicians Formula concealer, and that is what's on my face so far. Now I'm gonna go in with this Balm. It is the rundown color, What's the Tea Iced Tea Eyeshadow Mini Cool Shade, and I'm just going to pack this on my lid. Wow, this is very pigmented. It's really pretty so far. Alright, that is the color so far. I know it looks crazy, but now I'm going to go and use some other colors from my collection, and I will be right back with you before putting on the eyeliner. So far what I used off camera was only the ColourPop The Zodiac palette from Kathleen Lights, and I used the Libra color right here just to do the transition color. And now I'm going to try out the Mellow Precision Pen eyeliner that we got from this Ipsy bag and see how it works. Ooh, so it has like a bigger tip than the Milani one. Let's see. This one right here is the Milani one, and this one is the Mellow one. Just for comparison. So the Milani one is longer and thinner, and this one is shorter and fatter. So far, I think it's really easy to use. So far, so good. I'm gonna go and do some of my makeup off camera, and I'll be right back with you when it's time to use this Ciate London Moon Dust highlighter. So what products did I use off camera just then? I used the Ardell Wispies Black 113. I used my last pair, and I glued them down with the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and I used my ColourPop Zodiac palette in the color Virgo, which is this matte brown, to fill in my brows. I used the Physicians Formula The Healthy Foundation in the color MW2 for my foundation. My primer was the Kokie Smooth Glow Hydrating Foundation, and I used the Pixi Lash Booster Mascara. For bronzer, I used the Too Faced Sweet Tea bronzer. Yeah, Sweetheart bronzer in the color Sweet Tea. I believe that's all the products that I used off camera. So now I'm going to use this Sayate London Moon Dust Highlighter and see how it works out for me. That's pretty. That's really pretty. I like it. I was nervous that it was going to be like too dark, but I don't think it is. That's really pretty. That was the last product for me to try on with you guys. So now I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and come back at you with my outro. Alright, so I just basically applied the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip Velvet Finish Lip Cream, and it's in the color Bear With Me. I put that on my lips and I set it with my e.l.f. Beauty Shield Facial Mist. And that's all I did. And far as these 3 products out of the 5 that I've received, let's see. So I love this hand lotion. I'm glad I got that. So that's a win for me. Would I have repurchased it on my own? Probably not, but that's what I like about subscriptions. They will send me stuff that I wouldn't necessarily go out and buy for myself, but I would really like for myself, if that makes any sense. I wish this was cruelty free so I could have used it in my collection, but I'm not mad about them sending mascara. I just wish it was a cruelty free brand instead of Benefit, but my daughter will enjoy a new mascara. This Mellow Precision Pen Eyeliner, I like it. I don't know how I would compare it to my favorite eyeliner of all time, the Milani Cosmetics one, but it's definitely not bad. I just want to make sure it doesn't dry out in like 2 weeks like some felt tip liners do. You know, I can't really review how I feel about this eyeliner yet because I like to do a 2-week kind of wear test on eyeliners, especially felt tip ones. Sometimes they work really good right off the bat, but then 2 weeks later they're no good. And if they're no good in 2 weeks, then unless they're only like $1 or $2, no, I'm not doing that. So I don't know about this yet, but I did like how it applied for the first time. It was really black. Well, my lashes are kind of blocking it, but yeah, you can kind of see it. My glue's not dry down yet, but yeah, you can kind of see it. I like it. I'm not mad at it at all. I just don't want to say, hey, go out and buy this. This is a great eyeliner, because I have not done my 2 weeks check yet. But I'm glad they sent it so I can continue playing with it, especially since this is a cruelty-free brand and I've never played with that brand before. So that was my first item from the Mellow brand. This Sayate Moon Dust Highlighter, it's right here. I think it's very, very beautiful. Let's see, what highlighter was I using before? Compare it to the Pixi one, I feel like it's just as good. It's comparable, like I don't know what to say. It's a good highlighter. Like, I'm not that picky about highlighters, but I believe Sayate London is an affordable brand anyways, and I know it's cruelty free. I'm glad they sent it to me, and this was my first product from that brand, so excited to play with this more. Far as the balm eyeshadow that I have on my eyes right now, I feel like, I mean, I don't know yet. Like, I'm normally not picky about my eyeshadows, but look. Like, I feel like it's wearing off super fast. But I feel like it would do a lot better if you have like a NYX jumbo pencil of a purple or maybe a black or even a light shade. Like some kind of NYX jumbo pencil, like a kind of a cream base underneath this shadow. Which I did use a concealer under this shadow, but I don't think that was enough. Maybe a jumbo pencil and it would work better, but I'm not really too impressed with this eyeshadow. I'm going to layer it up just a little bit and hopefully I won't get fallout. Alright, so I went over a little bit more. That's what it looks like. I don't know about this. It's the first time I've used the Balm eyeshadows, so maybe I just need to get to know the formula a little bit more, but I will be continuing on playing with that, and I do love that it's like a matte deep purple looking color. That will transition great for this fall, and yeah, I'm happy with it. I just need to play with it more. Alright, that's all of my Ipsy bag unbagging. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below if you got any of these same products, or if you got different products. Which one of these products would you have? Yeah, that's the question. What of these products do you would have loved the most from this bag that I received? Okay, don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you buddies next time. Bye.